Are you one person who's stuck in your coaching business and not able to scale? Are you one coaching professional and you're looking to grow your business, but you're kind of stuck despite of all the things that you tried from email marketing, funnels, reels, and anything and everything in between? Or are you one coaching professional and you just get certified, you just finish your training, and you want to crack the code in starting your coaching business? Or maybe you are one person who's still on the bench, you're still on the bay, and you're looking to start in this profession, but you're thinking, is there some proven way to start, grow, and scale a coaching business? If that's you, if you are in any of this category, then this coaching toolkit for today is perfect for you. Today's toolkit is the growth level trifecta of coaching profession. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. We are still on a runway of our 100 Days Coaching Toolkit Mastery Series, and you are joining me for episode 76. Let's dive in. Imagine your coaching profession as stuck in a vault and you need to open it. Imagine your coaching business stuck in a vault and you need to unlock it. Imagine your coaching services locked in the vault and you're trying to find the perfect combinations to finally open it and get the gem inside. Now, if you're one person and you've tried everything you can in this profession and it seems not to be working, then today you need to know that there are three numbers, okay, that would unlock the code of the vault. So it's like the perfect combinations. And when you get the perfect combinations, you will unlock it and you will start building a coaching professions that is not only for today, but for generations to last. It means that your children, your next generations would really look into the professions and say, I want to do the same. Now, if you're meeting me for the first time, I am Master Coach A. I'm a coaching entrepreneur, and since 2017, I've been helping coaching professionals to start, grow, and scale their business. And if you haven't gotten into the profession professionally, it means that you are coaching by your experience. You are coaching because somebody told you that you can coach, or maybe in the workplace you are named and dubbed as a coach, but you have not gotten your professional coaching training. Then Life Coach Philippines offer you an opportunity to get international credentials, okay? So we offer Actively Co-Create Life Coach Certification Program. This is a 40 CPD credit units from the CPD group in UK. So if you get certified by us, you're gonna be getting a CPD accredited course program with 40 credit units that you can use internationally, globally, in any parts of the globe. For more information about the courses, for more information about our services, for more information of what you can get from this coaching tribe, then visit www.lifecoachphilippines.com. Now, back to our topic. This growth level trifecta is the magic code for you to open this coaching profession. So if you are one person and you are tired of trying, you have tried and you are frustrated, I understand that. Or maybe you are one person, you're following me or you're following other coaching professionals, or maybe you have gotten, a couple of downloadables from the internet and you're trying to crack the code, but you're not able to do so. Now listen, there's a three numbers, okay? It's just like a combinations of three, okay? So 1, 2, 3 is a combinations of three things that you need to master so that Okay, you can start to grow and scale your business. So again, you can snag the toolkit for free, but for a limited time offer. So make sure that you you drop everything that you need to do after this episode and download the toolkit, start working on it. Okay, if you need help, if you need support, do not hesitate. Give me a shot, give me a call. Let's have a conversation. Get a booking 0939-919-2235. Now, what is these three numbers? Okay, these three things that you need to know, you need to master, you need to put in a perfect combination so that you can start, grow, and scale your business. Number one, okay, strategy. Okay, so put it in there. Number one, strategy. Now, life coaching is an art. It means that you can practice the professions in the most creative way that you can think of. So if you are a chef or you're coming from you know, a cooking, okay, or baking, then you can use your skills, you can use your creativity in cooking and baking to conduct your coaching sessions, okay? So if you're coming from creative works of arts, you can paint, you can draw, you can use your pencil, you can use your brushes to do your coaching session. Yes, you can. Okay. Now, if you are coming from a technical world, you are a doctor, you are a lawyer, you are engineer, same thing. You can use creatively the things that you have learned in your profession, okay, to start coaching. There's no problem with that. The only thing here is you need to be able to strategize this expertise and experience that you had from your previous work, from your previous professions, or maybe you're still in that professions right now. You need to strategize how you can, how you cannot not impress the clients, but how can you use this expertise of yours to solve someone's problem. It is important that whatever you know, okay, in your field of expertise, you are able to strategize, okay, you have a strategy to convert that in a way that would solve someone else's problem. If you're not going to be able to do this, then it would be hard and almost impossible for you to get someone paying you to coach them. Here's where the gap always happens. We show up, many coaches, I've seen this. I've been training coaches since 2017, and I think I've trained around 1,000 students, 1,000 coaches. And most of the time, the problem or the gap happens because back in the days, back in our field, back in our expertise, back in our world, we are already superlative. We have achieved a certain level of success. And when we go to coaching, we tell people, hey, this is me, this is what I achieved, this is what I can do. Mind you, coaching is also a science. So this is a profession with set of models, set of toolkits, set of processes, okay, that if done right, then you will get the results. Now, if you do not understand how the science works, no matter how great you are, no matter how established and successful you are in your field, in your career, then success in coaching would remain to be a dream. Next number that you have to learn is energy. Oh, energy. Why? All right. So, success in coaching is slow brought. The entry in our profession is very low. Okay. So, there are coaching training, coaching certifications that you can get for really a very, very cheap amount or affordable amount, or some would offer free, not our institute, by the way. So, but there are, okay? So the bar to enter our professions is very low. However, the bar, okay, to succeed in this profession is very high. We are the second fastest growing industry. And since 2016, we are growing double digit. We were not affected by the COVID. In fact, during COVID time, we gained more. Okay, while other professions are losing, we gain more. Now, here's the thing. Unfortunately, when I started in 2017 and back in the days, we were taught that there are 100,000 professional coaches. Now, back in the days, I was hoping that I could contribute. I wanted to contribute and grow that numbers because I believe in the power of coaching. Now, fast forward to 2024 data of ICF, the number is still about 100,000, 106,000 coaches globally. So what does it mean? It means that countless coaching professionals exit the professions in about 6 months or less because they're not able to get the pieces together and start their coaching practice. It means they throw the towel even before they get started. That's where you need the energy. Okay? It is important that you do not treat coaching as a hobby. You do not treat coaching as a by the way thing because you need to allocate, okay? This is your second number. You need to allocate a certain level of energy to not just learn, okay, not just learn the skill, okay, but to practice the skill, okay. So it's just like you cannot be a surgeon by just watching somebody in the OR. Okay, it is the same in coaching. You cannot just watch somebody coach or read somebody's coaching or read and download materials on coaching models and believe that you can coach. It's not that way. You need to have a playbook. You need to go through coaching training. You need to do practice and you need to do practice and you need to do practice. It means there's a lot of practice that you need to do. And that is side by side with you getting your clients, doing your marketing, doing your toolkits, and all of these things, you need that energy. You need to be able to sustain. That's a great thing if you join Life Coach Philippines. In Life Coach Philippines, the moment you get certified, we hand over you a complete package, a turnkey solution that you can immediately start, okay? Our Co-Active Co-Create Life Coach Certification Program gives you 5 coaching packages, okay, that you can immediately get started, roll it with your clients, and start making money. Now, but what if you're not coming from our tribe? What if you're not coming from our institute? So you need to have this level of energy, not just reserve energy, but sustain energy for you to do what you must do to learn, practice, and practice the coaching skills. You need to strengthen your muscles and it takes energy. Now, the third number, okay? So it's a combination. So you've got the strategy, you know what to do, you know how to proceed with that, okay? Like, okay, so what portfolio should I be working? What model I'm gonna be diving into? What institute I'm gonna be really getting myself wet and learning. I got my energy. So what's the next? Okay, so what's the third numbers? Okay, so if you are one person and you've been learning from me for the longest time, you are continuing, okay? You're building the tribe with me. You're studying, you're learning, and you've got this energy. You know, you have this staying power. You're still here, but you're still not making it. It's a third number. What's the third number? The third number is implementation or execution. Okay? So this is where a lot of people fail. Okay? So we have this toolkit, the transformation table or transformation toolkit. This is what we call the false start. It means you can have the strategy, you can have the energy, but if you do not have the right implementation in place, okay? You do not have the how in place, you will always have the false start. So you've got to be a product of coaching. I would always say this. For you to coach, you have to be a product of life coaching. What does it mean? You need to have a coach. Somebody needs to coach you so that you will also be able to implement your strategy and use your energy the right way. You may have the energy, you may have the strategy, but if you are hitting the false start over and over and over again, you will not be surprised. I will not be surprised if you will want to throw the towel immediately. Now, if you are one person and you have exited the profession, you are watching this and maybe you're thinking, can I start all over again? The answer is perfectly yes. Yes, you can. Okay? So coaching is a gift. And many of us are in the profession because we are gifted, we are called, and we know in our heart we can coach. We know in our heart there's so much things we can give into the world. But remember, it's just like sealed, trapped in the vault, and you need the combinations of three numbers. The three numbers, your strategy, your energy, and of course, your implementations or your executions. Now, these three numbers may not be easy for some of you. For some of you, these numbers just like, I've tried it, it didn't work. Now, every single day that you lost, you miss, or you fail in your trial and error is very costly. The world needs your help. The world needs your expertise. The world needs what you can offer. And so, I'd like to invite you, get in touch with us, 0939-919-2235. Get help. Help is available. If you're within the metro, if you are within the country, you are in the Philippines and you are within the territory, our coaching hub is at Decaf Coffee Republic. We are located inside Pioneer Center compound along Pioneer Road corner, Brixtons and United Streets, Capitolio, Pasig City. We are open from 3 p.m. to 3 a.m. or you can set an appointment. Meet me at Decaf Coffee Republic, or better yet, just drop by, swing by, and meet our awesome coaching tribe in the place. You will get help. Once again, this is Master Coach A for episode 76, Snag Your Free Toolkit, and I'll see you again tomorrow for episode 77.